Well, Pitsco Education in Pittsburgh is celebrating its 50th anniversary this week, and the hands-on learning company has come a long way since its founding in 1971. We stopped by there to learn some of their STEM Anywhere activities that they've got, including one that helps you make your own parachute. This morning we're here at Pitsco and we're hanging out with Alan and Lucas, and all right, we've learned how to do all sorts of things, but right now we are talking about a shape called a gore.
Yes.
What is that?
It's mostly just a triangle, but with a flat top.
And why are we learning about a gore?
It's one way to make an easy parachute.
A parachute. Okay. All right, let's see a parachute made. How do you do it?
So what you do first, put this right here, and then you just tape them on the bottom and the top. And then you cut it out. You don't cut the inside lines, you just cut the outsides. And then once you're done with this, you will grab tape, glue, or glue stick, whatever that's good for sticking. Then when you're done, you might have a little top where you cut off.
And that's what makes the gore shape.
Yes.
Cool.
And then you flip it over, you take all of these off, and then you can use tape to just make a round and a round.
Now, why does having layers to the parachute work more effectively than just cutting out a circle?
Mostly because it gets a umbrella form, because if you have a circle, it just doesn't go down, so it doesn't catch any air, it just floats and then go down very slowly. But for a parachute, it would work differently. It would stack up and then float down the right way.
What are the pieces that we are using? So we have tissue paper, we have the gore shape.
Yeah.
What other ingredients are there?
If you want to, you can use a clear ruler or any type of ruler if you want to make it more geometric. And more shapes, or just to make it even or something.
Nice.
We also use string, so you and so then it floats down.
Cool. And what are we tying to it?
What we're tying to it is paper clips, any type of weight. You can use clay, you can use
a penny.
You can use any type of coin, anything that's kind of heavy as a paper clip. So if you have extra, which you might do, then you can put something to cover the hole if you do have a hole.
Okay.
If not, then
cut a circle. It's hard to cut tissue paper. That, frankly, that's pretty accurate considering.
There.
Nice. All right, so we have our parachute cover.
Yeah.
Now what do we do?
Now, basically what we do is we attach string to it.
And where are we attaching the string?
We take a piece off and then we attach it to the sides. You have to have it at the very tip so you have much line to use.
Okay, so every other interval.
Yeah. And then when you're done, you take all the string and then you lift it up and then you take all the string down.
It's hard.
It's better doing it this way.
There you go.
And then you grab whatever weight you need.
So you're combining the paperclip with the clay to create this weight at the bottom.
Yeah.
Just gives the clay something to hang on to.
Yeah.
And then when you're done, you open it up and then you have a perfect parachute.
You want to go outside and try this thing out?
Yes.
All right, let's do it. We'll have the full instructions and other activities on our morning show page this morning at koamnewsnow.com. We'll be right back after this.